Okay, so it is time to test our application using the actual Alexa device. But before that, I want to make sure that you guys have installed Amazon Alexa application on your mobile and your device is completely configured using the same account which you used for the Alexa skills development. So now let me open up my Amazon Alexa application. Click on the top left menu and go to the skills and games. Now from the top, click on your skills, and on the right hand side you will see one application under dev. So you see this is the same application Smart Light tutorial which we created. Now talking about Alexa open hello world and sample short description, let me open up the code and open up the file skill.json. You could find it under the skill package, and right here if you see the summary, it says sample short description, and under the example phrases you will see Alexa open hello world. So this is the one which you see here. If you change the text in the code and if you deploy your code again, you will see the updated text here. So that's the one thing. Now click on the top left menu again and go to the settings. Click on the device settings. Okay, so my device is online now. Click on it. Just scroll up and look for the language and click on the language. Now this one is very important point. Here in my case, I have already selected English United States. So if you go back to the code, right here under the skill.json, in the line number 5, we have written en-us. So that means we are using the application with the language English United States. So if on your device for this particular application you have chosen any other language, even if English United Kingdom or English India, this application will not work on the actual device in the development mode. So you have to make sure that you are choosing the same language which you have chosen in the code. That's it. Now let's test our application on the real device. Alexa, ask Magic Man to turn on the light.
Your wish my command, turning on the light.
Alexa, ask Magic Man to turn off the light.
Your wish my command, turning off the light.
Alexa, open Magic Man.
Welcome, I am Magic Man. You can ask me to turn on/off the light.
Turn on the light.
Your wish my command, turning on the light.
Alexa, ask Magic Man to turn off the light.
Your wish my command, turning off the light.
Hope you enjoyed the series. Thank you. Request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.